So a few things have changed on the truck recently. So I got new wheels. They are off a 2017 GMC Denali. I got them with like 100 miles on them. Got a good deal on them, so picked those up. I don't have the light bar bumper anymore. I got a stock bumper. Put littler lights in there. But done a little bit of work inside. Door panels here, wrapped in leather. Yeah, it's not perfect, but 5% tint, that's new. Put bucket seats in it out of a 98 extended cab. And center console. Built this sub box for a 8-inch JL sub. Did the Chevy Express van knobs. This one you have to modify and glue on. These are a direct replacement. I got, there's a little bit of sunlight. Got LEDs in my gauges, LEDs in the HVAC, all the door switches. Got an overhead console out of a 98 extended cab, LEDs and all that. Started on some stickers on the tent brow, but yeah, I sold the other wheels that I had on here, so that money is going towards a 2-inch cowl hood. Should happen here pretty soon. I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video or if it was done yet, but I got the LED low beams, also have the 4 high mod, so the high beam also comes on. Done the 4 corner markers. This is usually just a reflector. Cut the back out, glued in a light twist lock. Got lights in there too. Go ahead and turn the bumper lights on. I got these 3 factory switches that I'm modified for my rock lights and bumper lights. Just some cheapy 6-inch LED light bars off eBay. Don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you can kind of see them. Also, the Nudo Ridge grapplers, have been very happy with them. I know I said I was going to make videos on those and I never did, but LED taillights are still doing really good. Highly recommend them. Also got the LED third brake light. Bumper cap is now black again. Did the Suburban hitch so it doesn't hang down because I got the body lift. Gonna need a bigger drop hitch though, but just a quick little video. If you got questions, just ask them. And follow my Instagram. I'll put that down in the description. I post pretty regularly on there. But yeah, looking forward to making it to a few truck shows this year. So, alright, thanks for watching.